Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the All-American Kayak Classic on Truman Lake, Missouri. It's 6:50, got a 7 o'clock lines in time. We're just, if you watch my 2020 video, you know that we're in a very familiar area. So we're gonna do the same thing we did last year and just see what happens. I didn't find anything anywhere else, so I figured, well, but I came here and caught a couple, so I thought, you know, I'll just do the same thing again. Anyway, little different conditions this year. Last year we were waiting, it was like the water was like 56, 57 degrees, and it was mid-November. Now it's towards the end of October. Water temperature is 66 degrees, so considerably different conditions for sure. But we have about 9 minutes before lines in, so we're gonna make the most of it. Get some stuff together and get ready to rock and roll. But anyway, this has been also changed. Last year it was 1-day tournament. This year it's been changed to a 2-day tournament. So we got to get 5 today, and we got to get 5 tomorrow. That would be the goal. Man, check out that sunrise. The fog is super thick in spots and just not at all in spots. But it's pretty cool because you got the sunrise right there. And you still got a big old giant moon right there. So pretty cool. All right, we got to get 5 today. Important. 7 o'clock, lines in. Nope, that's too small anyway. But that's another thing, they gotta be 12 inches this year, not 10, which is a huge difference. Okay, well, you know what, we're on the board. It's not much of the board, but we have to start somewhere, so that's one. You know, there is a trash fish pot, and I can't imagine that that's going to be the biggest sand bass caught today. I knew that was a sand bass from the jump. one's already bigger. Front hook. I don't think so. Man, maybe. Ouch. Well, that's 4. You know, sometimes whenever things are not great, you just gotta do the best you can to catch 5. And if they're not big enough, then they're just not big enough. I would like to catch 1 more fish. 1 more. Be a bass. Holy crap. A donkey. This is like yellow. Good grief. Thank you, big girl. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Way to stick with it, dude. Three o'clock. So, close enough to 3 that if I caught one, I couldn't get a picture taken with it. So. Oh man, that was kind of a grinder of a day. Only caught 5 keepers all day. Lost a keeper. It would have helped a little, but one kicker fish can cure a lot of things, and it did for me today. Okay, everybody. 6:43. We got a way different kind of day today. We got the chance for some weather. Well, we're gonna get some weather, a chance for severe weather. It's supposed to get here looking like the maps that I can see about 8 o'clock and maybe clear out by 10. Well, I'm not gonna go all the way out to that bluff this morning just to fish for an hour and then get blown off the water. So I'm just gonna stay and fish around here in the marina and see how that goes. And whenever the weather comes, I'll get off the water for a little while and then come back. So, and hit that in the afternoon. I mean, I caught my biggest fish in the afternoon anyway, so I don't have any issue about missing a huge morning bite or anything. So so yeah, that's the plan. Day 2. Day 1 went well. Caught a limit, which is good. I'm sitting 5 inches out of the money right now, but there's a lot of people between me and the money, so that's a bigger deal than the amount of inches, just because I have to jump that many people or I have to do better than that many people. So anyway, we'll see. But I did win that big bass yesterday, but in the 1 and 2 o'clock hour did win me hourly big bass, so that's $150. So pretty excited about that. So anyway, we got another 15 minutes just to sit here, so we're just gonna float around. I have no service where I stay, so I'm gonna check my phone and see what's going on, and we'll get lines in here shortly. Whoa, that was close. All right, there was just lightning just right there. Yep. Okay, boys and girls, 9:51. We stayed in the truck for about an hour, waiting on the heaviest part to come through. So, 10 o'clock. We got 5 hours to catch 5 fish. Let's get her done. Oh my gosh, again. What is the deal with me? Look at that spinnerbait. catching hogs on Truman. I mean, that's a for real giant. Another one. Look at that, 20 and a half. Well, I got to tie on a new spinnerbait. Because that one's garbage. All right, 14 and a half. Okay, well, 304, tournament over. I only ended up with 4. Man, I wish I would have come around to those flats earlier whenever I could see that the bluff just wasn't doing it, but I just kept thinking if I can just chunk and wind enough, I'll run into a couple, but it just wasn't to be. So anyway, I only ended up with 4 today. That's kind of a shame, but we caught a big one, and we did figure something out at the end. We just didn't leave ourselves enough time to see it through. Just one of those things, but that's how it goes. Anyway, we are headed to Everhart's Outdoor Store for the weigh-in, and I'm pretty fired up about it. Last year it was amazing, so hopefully this year it can be equally amazing. And if not, it'll still be great. They really knocked it out of the park. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. and we will see you on the next one.